All right, ladies and gentlemen, look how this heavy rain did our streets once again. Okay. Well, was there something right here? All right. So look at the flooded streets. Well, there's a fire truck that just passed. All right, ladies and gentlemen, uh, y'all see this flooded street right here? Dang, look at this. Look at this. Ain't this something? Dang. It is totally flooded around here, y'all. Well, well, well. All right. Look at this place. Flooded way back here too. Hope nobody don't splash nothing. You know. Look all the way down here too. About to bring y'all right here. Oh, look at this. How y'all doing? How y'all doing? All right. Yeah, look at this. Look at this, y'all. I'm just doing the show. That's all.
Huh?
I'm just doing the show for YouTube.
What kind of show?
Oh, a YouTube show. I'm filming the streets though, the flooded streets.
No, I wasn't worrying about what you was doing, but what kind of show you talking about doing?
Oh, I do shows on YouTube, stuff like that.
So you
Interview.
get paid for that?
Not yet. I haven't applied for it
You
yet.
have to get a certain amount of views.
I think so. Yeah. Yeah. So I'll just let you know what I was doing. That's all.
Get me on that too.
Huh?
I might turn your views up. Just
Oh.
get me on your shit.
Oh well.
Nah, I'm just playing with you, sir.
Oh, I understand though. But you wasn't scheduled. Huh? Oh yeah, I'm just. Oh yeah, I'm just filming the streets though. You know.
No, what you say?
I said I'll just film the streets.
Not you.
Oh, I'm sorry. But anyway, ladies and gentlemen, look at the street, y'all. All right, so I don't know why the pumps ain't working though. You know, so I wonder if the city will watch this. You know. So so anyway, dang, and then the water coming up from the sidewalk. You know, I was just talking to some neighbors, so I can you know, I mean it's probably way over here, way down Magic Street too. You know, I'll just and I could have sworn them people ever watched my show before, but unfortunately they haven't. You know. It's probably flooded way. Oh, focus camera, focus. Thank you. Focus camera, please. There you go. All right. So, look like that water going down. Y'all see that right there? Yeah. Somebody asked to be on my show, but he wasn't scheduled to be on the show. He was just joking, I guess. Look like that water going down. I bet, but tomorrow this water be drained, you know. So, you know, I wish I had some rain boots, you know. If all I could get some rain boots, then I could walk around this dump, you know. Well, I'm just going. Whoa. Well. Seem like anytime anything happens, I gotta do a whatchamacallit. So I think I need to go walk over here on the other side. Okay. So let's see if anything else is going on. Okay. So I was just talking to the neighbors and stuff like that. I really didn't expect this heavy rain, ladies and gentlemen. Okay. So, oh, do y'all see the sky behind me? It look red. It look red on the camera, you know. So anyway, let's just go over here, and I'm gonna show y'all the how you doing. All right, so I'm just gonna go over here and show y'all the other street. See if it's flooded over here, you know. Oh, here come a car. So I better step out the way. As long as that person don't come speeding, you know. Just pump that water out. All right, so well, I mean this. It looks like a lake around here. You see?
Don't worry about it. Just know when the
Uh oh, here
lady
goes
comes
somebody.
with the popcorn and the ice cream,
All right,
don't
so
holler for a dollar.
so look over here.
Don't holler for
All
a
right,
dollar.
all right, so anyway over here,
Where you at?
y'all see how flooded this street is. Even on that side too. And the pumps one that probably ain't working. You know, look like the water drained here, but the water haven't drained over there yet. What the hell? I just came from over there, and it's flooded over here. Oh yeah, don't never mind the neighbors, y'all. You know, I'm just doing my show, showing y'all what's happening. You know, so it's flooded over here. It's probably flooded on Galvez too. You know, so anyway, well, what I'm gonna do, y'all, I'm gonna go put my jeans on and shoes on and go film on Galvez and see how Galvez Street look. You know. So, I doubt some of these neighbors ever watched the Domino 7 show, you know. So, will they ever watch the Domino 7 show? We'll have to see, you know. Okay, so let's see if them people will ever watch the show, you know. Wait till it's car pass, you know. I'm about to go put on my jeans and stuff and go walk around. You know, and see how Galvez Street look, you know. So I'm just go take a walk around and film everything, you know, and do a recording as well. Okay, so I hope y'all enjoy this. I don't know when this live stream gonna go on YouTube, you know. So I tell them I'm doing it for YouTube, so I'm not gonna put people on the show if they don't want to be on, you know. So and cut.